skip it. Okay.
Okay.
Do you want to do it again? You like that?
No. I guess that'll be okay.
Okay.
Okay, let me think of one.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my lord.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You
told me about-
actually scared me. That was like
You
my
can do it
actual
again. You told
reaction.
me-
Okay.
That's good.
Okay, ready? It'll be. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, wait 1 second. Let me think of a sound. Ready?
You were gagging.
In my head, I was like, hee-haw.
Now you going.
Oh my word. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Oh god. This would be hilarious.
I'm trying to think. I keep wanting to do like facial expressions, but without my mouth open. Oops.
What am I gonna do with that?
I don't know. Should I make any one?
No, let me think.
Okay.
Let me think for a second. Do that. Alright, go ahead.
Okay.
Still going to get the booger.
Okay.
I'm like, my dad would say pinch in the loaf.
What?
Pinch in the loaf.
What was it? Oh. I've never heard it called that.
That's my dad. Cheese.